Hello everyone, this is Malik again. Today I am here to introduce our new model JK591. This is the equipment that 80% of the bosses will choose. With this JK591, trimming, greening and maintenance of the highways and the national roads and the rural roads will become easy and efficient. Let me tell you the speciality of this trimmer. The cab here is movable. The field of vision is superb. The trimming and the operation is so easy. We are independently developing and producing by the manufacturers, and the quality of the guarantee efficiency of this equipment is 40 times that of the manual labor work, which is greatly saves times and the labor cost, which makes the roads very neat and beautiful. And it's also add a touch of fresh green to the environment, whether it is professional maintenance teams or individual. Using this model JK591 will be your best choice. Come and experience the fun of efficiency and convenience trimming with us. Thank you.